Want to measure how spread out your data really is without the confusion? In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll walk you through how to calculate standard deviation step by step. Using a real-life example anyone can follow. You'll learn which formula to use, when to use it, and why it matters. Let's get started. Here's a quick recap. Standard deviation shows how much your data varies from the average. A low value means data points are close together. A high value means they're more spread out. It's a powerful tool for measuring consistency in business, finance, education, and more. Let's use a real example. Imagine we're tracking monthly sales figures for a product over the last 6 months. Now, we want to know how consistent these sales are. The Standard Deviation.S function calculates the standard deviation for a sample of your data. First, click on an empty cell where you want the result. Type equals. Then STD. Double-click to select the function. Select your data range, for example, B2 to B7. Close the bracket. And press enter. That's it. You'll instantly see the standard deviation for your sample data. If you're working with the entire population, not just a sample, use the Standard Deviation.P function instead of Standard Deviation.S. Type this formula. Now press enter, and Excel will calculate the standard deviation for the full data set. Want to clearly see how each month's sales compare to the average? Excel makes it easy with a clean line chart, great for presentations and performance reviews. First, calculate the average of your sales data. Type this formula in cell C2. Now press enter. In cells C2 to C7, fill in the same average value to match each sales entry. You can do this by entering this formula. Type equals, and select the cell C2. Press F4 to add absolute reference. Now press enter, then drag down to fill the column. Select the full range A1 to C7. This includes month, sales, and average columns. Go to the Insert tab. Click Line Chart. Choose Line with Markers. Done. You now have a powerful visual showing the sales trend across months. The average line as a reference, how each value rises above or drops below the average. If you just want a fast way to show variability, Excel's built-in standard deviation error bars are a great option. Just go to Chart Elements. Then, click on Add Chart Element. Hover over to Error Bars. Now, click on Standard Deviation, and Excel does the math for you. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an easy Excel tip again. Got a question or want me to cover another formula? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.